Organic sulfur is an amazing mineral supplement. And the majority of Happy Body customers utilize organic sulfur as a pain management tool because it is such a powerful anti-inflammatory. But sulfur is also a vital component to the production of proteins and amino acids. It's an important detoxification tool, chelating the body of heavy metal deposits and cleansing parasites. It keeps our hair thick and shiny, and it also keeps our skin glowing and youthful. Now, there are a variety of different ways that you can take the organic sulfur crystals, but I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on a basic way that everyone has access to. All you're going to need is your organic sulfur crystals, a small glass, and some water. So all you want to do is take 1 teaspoon or more, whatever you think that you need. The general rule is 1 teaspoon for every 100 pounds of body weight, so you can gauge where you fall into that dosing. But generally, 1 to 2 teaspoons, a small glass, and you just want to fill it with just enough water to suspend the crystals. Just 1 to 2 ounces of liquid in the glass with your organic sulfur crystals, and you just want to kind of get them swirling around, suspended in the liquid, because that's going to allow you to just shoot them back. 1 straight gulp. Now you might have a couple residual crystals in the glass or in your mouth. Just fill it with a little bit more water and just kind of drink it back until it's rinsed out. Now, the key to success with anything is consistency. So remember to take your sulfur twice a day, every day, to yield the best results. And always remember that a healthy body is a happy body.